Hey guys, I'm just here with Rem at the moment.
Hello.
I just thought I'd do a weekly vlog this week because I honestly feel like I just miss doing YouTube so much. I don't know, I feel like I'm a bit camera shy once again. It honestly gets like that though when you don't like vlog or do YouTube for a while, but I feel like I want to start weekly vlogging and just like film stuff that I actually want to remember in my life. Like, I don't know, like I just want to get back into filmmaking in general, to be honest. At the moment, Rem's just sitting here on her laptop and I am making a sausage hot pot in the slow cooker. So I've just put some carrots in so far, but I just thought I'd do a little weekly vlog and let you guys know what's been happening in the world of EP. Alrighty, so I've just put everything into the slow cooker and that's just going to be going for like 4 hours on high. And now I'm just going to make a banana bread because I've got like old bananas that I didn't get to use. Happy birthday! We just got a little ice cream for the birthday girl. And we're just sitting in the park now and just eating it, enjoying the sun. Cheers. Cheers. Like I haven't updated you in a while, but as you saw from the last clip, I went out to lunch with my friend Liv because it was her birthday today. Happy 21st, Liv. I'm home and I just like finished vacuuming and stuff because I didn't really get to finish it beforehand. So I am just mashing up some potato to go with it. It's kind of like deviled sausages, that's what I was going to say before. And I'll pop it all into containers. That will be my dinner tonight and probably my lunch tomorrow. Me and Chelsea just having a pre-dinner snack. Some oranges and we're watching Shane Dawson's conspiracy theories because Chelsea's never seen them and I just want to blow her mind, really. It is now Tuesday morning, so I am just sitting here on my floor getting ready for work. I've got my morning coffee here in a freaking Christmas mug. I basically work, because like I have 2 jobs. I basically work for one of my jobs Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, every single week, and then I work my other job the other days, so I'm just getting ready for that. I don't know why, but I feel like this is my favourite part of the morning. Like I love just like sitting on my floor doing my makeup with my coffee. Like I usually sit here and like set up my phone on my windowsill and just like watch YouTube videos. And this morning I was watching this girl called Riley Lane and she moved from Australia over to the UK. And she just like lives over there and she had like a moving vlog because she was moving into like a new flat with her boyfriend. And oh my god, it just makes me want to live overseas so bad. Like I just can't get over it. I feel like this coronavirus has just like made me want to live overseas even more than I already do. And especially because like I was supposed to go overseas. I feel like I'll sit down and like properly tell you guys what actually happened with all that, because I feel like I need to properly like update everyone on what the hell happened with my life. Like obviously I'm not even in the same house that I was in when I used to do YouTube, so lots has happened and lots has changed, but I feel like I want to sit down and like actually proper tell you what happened one day. Just sitting here watching a YouTube video and I've got my wheat bix for brekkie. That doesn't look very nice at all. I've got a cup of tea and I've got my journal. Hello guys, I look disgusting right now and I feel like my voice is pretty shit actually at the moment because I was literally just singing my heart out. I've just finished work, so I've just rolled into the garage and I'm probably going to get dressed and go to the gym. I'll probably have some food first though. Guys, so I just finished at the gym. It is currently like 5:05 or something like that. I am just going to head home now and might be hanging out with one of my friends a bit later. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go home and start editing this vlog actually, just so I can kind of get back into the swing of things because I've actually been really enjoying vlogging. I feel like I'm really getting back into it. Good morning guys, I'm literally back in the same spot as yesterday. I completely forgot to vlog the rest of the night last night, but I basically went to the gym in the afternoon and then went and saw Dad for a bit. That was the clip of Ferg. And then I went and saw one of my friends and we went and got sombreros for dinner. I'm just getting ready for work this morning. I've got my morning coffee here. It is Thursday today and I'm just sitting here doing my makeup. I feel like I'm literally here every time you see me, I just wanted to let you guys know that I forgot to vlog last night just because I wasn't having the best night, to be honest. I didn't really want to vlog that, but yeah, I'm just hormonal at the moment. That's the only reason why. And I am just sitting here getting ready for work. I only have like one of my jobs today, so that's really good. I will finish at 3 o'clock and then I'm coming home and I'm pretty sure tonight my sister's having like a birthday dinner. I'm just going through the car wash. I just gave my car a good vacuum because I literally haven't washed my car in honestly so long. Like, it's actually so bad. I went inside for a little bit just then and put on a load of washing. Yeah, as you saw before, like I was just cleaning my car, like I went through the car wash obviously, and then I like wiped all the outside of it and also the inside. I'm feeling good about my car now. I feel like it's really been a long time since I've cleaned it properly like that. I just thought while I've got all this energy, I am going to go to the gym. Okie dokie, so I just finished up at the gym. I just did a quick workout today because I've been at work all day and I honestly am getting really tired. And before I went to the gym, I actually went to the RMS or RTA, whatever you want to call it, and I got my full license, which is cool. I was actually supposed to get my full license like ages ago, but because of COVID-19, like everything was closed, so I've only been able to just get it now. But that's exciting. I literally don't have to have P plates anymore, which is really great. I'm also going out for dinner tonight for my sister's birthday, so I will be able to have a drink with dinner, which is just so exciting. It's like another milestone, you know what I'm saying? I just got home and I'm already in my dressing gown because I am cold and I literally live in my dressing gown. I really feel like I need to wash my hands after the gym. My hands feel so gross. Look. Are you falling?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my god.
I know, we're back.
I need to pee, but I absolutely.
You're in short
Okay, I'm
with
gonna
that.
steak and chips.
Just that.
And a schnitzel chips and salad.
So I just pulled in and I just got home from dinner. We had a really nice dinner. I got a Mexican Parmigiana and it was honestly so good. So me and Libby just finished a little circuit outside. We did some inside work as well. We look absolutely flustered, but we did like inside weights as well. Now we just did outside and we're done for the day. So I feel like seeing it in person like is so much better, but like look at that. That is literally like all fog just sitting there. Like I'm like on the other side of town, like from my house, and it is literally so foggy over that way. Like the fog obviously hasn't lifted yet, but like here it's like not even foggy at all. It's just crazy. Like I just thought that was really cool. So hey guys, so I am just sitting here at the kitchen bench. I'm just editing this vlog like I've said I've been going to all week, literally. And Rem is here! And it's so weird because like we literally don't see each other all week. Like the last time we saw each other was, what was it?
Monday, and it's Friday.
Monday, and it's literally Friday, and like this morning was the first time that we saw each other like the whole week because we work opposite shifts for like the weekend. So
You
it's
do like
crazy.
9 till 3, and then I leave for work at 3 until like 11 o'clock at night.
Yeah,
So
it's honestly insane. So we are just here, I'm just editing, and Rem is baking some cookies. Steve-O's coming tonight, so that will be good. He'll like stay for the weekend and then leave on Sunday at around midday. Did you see my shadow? I am just here now cooking some dinner. I actually made myself a drink. I'm just making butter chicken burritos for me and Steve-O. So I'm gonna start that. Better get the chicken out of the fridge and begin. So I am just letting the butter chicken simmer, and I've got the rice on, and I'm gonna put in these wraps. I actually got, they're like roasted garlic flavored, so I thought that that would be really suitable for butter chicken burritos. And I've got a nice little candle lit dinner for me and Steve-O because all the other girls are out to dinner with their partners, so we are just gonna have a nice little candle lit dinner here. It's here now! So we've got the butter chicken and we've got the rice and the wraps. So here we go.
Don't make it often. Oh shit, wet.
We're just here making some pancakes for brekkie. Steve-O's making me a tea and himself a coffee. Weak.
Are you videoing? Don't video me.
What?
You could have put in the straws.
Okay. Come into the vlog. Look at us both sitting here in our gowns. And Steve-O are just here. We've got our finished product. You just hear Rem screaming. The most important. Shit, yeah. Me and Steve have left the building. We're going to Coles now to get some ice cream. We're literally going to Coles, get some ice cream, and then go home. See ya! Good morning guys, so it is now Sunday. Me and Steve-O are just going to make a big breakfast this morning. We bought some bacon, we've got some hash browns in the oven, and we're going to cook up some eggs, and we've got like bread and like baked beans as well if we want that on the side. Steve-O's just made us a tea and a coffee. And we've got our little setup here. I feel like this is something we do, like, I don't know, we always like make food and sit down and eat it here, but this is our big brekkie. with baked beans, hash browns, eggs, bacon, and the lot really.